Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is your boy Sidako and this is Sidako Tech Lab. It's been a while and today I'm going to show you another way of making money online. You understand? I'm going to show you a very easy way, trusted way and a working way in order to make money online. We are going to learn or look at how to make 15 to 100 USDT daily on Khtot. Stick and stay, I'll be back for more. Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, consider subscribing to my channel in order to get notified when I upload a new content. So we'll just get straight into what we are going to do today. So the platform that we are going to discuss today is about Khtot, which is a mining platform which helps users to mine and then using robots. So we have various ways of mining. Either you mine using a robot or you can also mine using the manual form. But before we get started, I want to show you how you'll be able to sign up into an account on this platform. Alright, so in order to register your account, all that you need to do is just come to the link, tap on the link that I've shared in my description, or check on the comment section and then click on the link, and then when you come here you just click on create account and then you fill all the necessary details here with your information. So your username and then here your password. Here you pick your country code. I'm in Ghana, so I'm going to pick my country code here. So you go through and then you pick your country code. You enter your telephone number at this section. You also enter a verification code which will be sent to you, and then you enter an invitation code. So you can decide to use my invite code if you wish. It's not compulsory, but I will be happy if you could also use my invitation code. So we have two forms of registering. It's either you go by using the phone version or phone method here, or you go by using the email method. Either ways you are good to go. So after registering everything, you just tap on sign up here. So you tap on sign up and then you can log in from this section. I already have an account, so I'll just log in. So I'm going to put in my details here and then I'll log into the account. So this is how the interface of the app looks like. So you'll be able to log in. If you want to read more about Khtot, you go to About Us and then you can read a whole lot about the company, what they do, what they stand for. They are certified, or they have a certificate which shows what they do. So you can read more about them here on that section. You can decide to also use the website, or you can use to download the app from this section. You just have to click on the download button and you'll be able to download the mobile app. Now let's delve into how to deal with this particular platform. We have various ways of trading on the platform, but before you be able to trade, you have to purchase a robot, and then the robot that you are going to purchase, you can purchase unlimited based on your funds. So you can see here robot 0, which has a validity of 2 hours, and activation price is 5 USDT. It means that you need 5 USDT to be able to trade robot 0, and at the end of the day, or at the expected time, you are going to get 0.01 to 0.01 USDT as profit. And the robot 1 also has validity period to be 1 day. Activation price is $10. So by the close of the day, you are going to have your income to be 0.35 to 0.36. That is 3.5 to 3.6% of what you invest in. And the robot 2 is also the price is $1 USDT, and then you are going to activate it with 30 USDT. At the end of the day or 24 hours, you are going to get 2.08 to 2.11 USDT, which is 3.6 to 3.7 percent, which are all profit, and they are also withdrawable. So basically, that is all about the robot. We have numerous robots here. We have robot 3, which you need a price of 6 USDT, and then you need an activation price of 200 USDT. So you can go through all the robots here: robot 4A, robot 5, 5A, depending on the fund that you have. You buy a robot, and the robot will also trade for you. Quickly, I'm going to show you how you'll be able to deposit into your account. So you go to the home, and then you tap on wallet, and then you go to recharge. So under recharge, you tap on the amount that you want to recharge. So I'm going to recharge, let's say 50 USDT, and then you click on continue. Now you copy this particular link here. You copy the address here, and then when you copy the address, you hit into your crypto wallet. I'm using Binance, so I'm going to launch my Binance account. So when I come to my Binance account, I just hit on USDT, and I go to withdraw. So I'll send it through the link that I copied. So that's the link. I'll paste it here, and then you select TRC, and then you enter the amount. So from the website, we said we are making a deposit of 50, so you enter 50 USDT here, and you could see from here that you are told you will receive this amount, which is 49 USDT. So in order to get what you are depositing, you have to add maybe 1 USDT, which will help you to get the exact amount from the platform, and then you tap on withdraw. So that is basically how you'll be able to deposit. After withdrawing, depositing into your account, you see that the account will reflect, or the money will reflect in your account. So you can see from here, I have 51.25 USDT. I've been trading a lot, guys, and it's a very good platform, positive platform that you can use to earn money. If you're able to earn like 2 to 5 USDT based on every trade that you make, you'll be able to hit the 15 to 100 USDT daily based on the funds that you deposit in your account. So basically, the more you trade, the more you earn. So every 24 hours, you'll be able to trade again, and then you also you claim your profit. So it is about the more you deposit and the more you trade, that is how you'll be able to get a lot of cash. Okay, so now let's see or talk about another thing here. You can also do a manual trading, but I would advise you to also go through or use the robot. The robot is the best one to go with. So let's look at how you'll be able to withdraw. After you've earned some cool cash, how do you withdraw? You withdraw by going to your home tab, go to your wallet, and now you tap on withdraw, and then you enter any amount that you want to withdraw. So let's say if I want to withdraw 30 USDT, and then the handling fee is 2%. Yes, you just tap on what? On withdraw. And then the minimum withdrawal amount is 6 USDT. The moment you withdraw, it takes few moments, and then the money will get into your wallet. Very, very cool, very easy to invest. So guys, take this opportunity and let's enjoy more cash on KHTOT. I deposited 30 USDT, and as we speak now, I've been able to earn almost double of the amount that I deposited. So you can also invite more friends here by copying your link here to get a lot of money. The moment they buy robots, you also earn something from them. Yes. You can also decide to share your links on WhatsApp, Facebook, and other social media handles to get a lot of people. When they buy robots, you also earn a lot of cash, cool cash. So I entreat each and every one my subscribers, let's make a cool cash from this platform. And note that I am not a financial advisor, and this is solely for educational purpose. I bring things that help all of us to earn something. My method might not work for you, But I hope everything I've explained, if you follow, will smile at the end and earn a cool cash. Kindly make sure you subscribe my channel, share the link for people to also know the video and also earn cool cash from this particular content. And make sure you like, and then lastly, subscribe the video. Don't forget to also turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload the content like this, you will be the first to know. Thank you for watching. See you in my next